Professional gear can last a long time if properly maintained. In this video, we're looking at a Sachtler carbon fiber tripod where the bonding agent has worn out over time. As a result, the carbon fiber tube on this extension slides freely on and off the stop piece. Here's how to fix it. First, align the tube with the stop piece. Make sure the feet are straight. Then, mark the alignment using gaff tape or artist board tape. Draw a reference line on both the tube and the stop piece. Then prepare the surface by sanding off any residue left by the old adhesive. Following that, clean the area with rubbing alcohol to remove any dust and debris. Next, apply the adhesive. Use Loctite 480 or JB Weld Plastic Bonder. Both work with carbon fiber. If mixing is required, do so now and apply a thin coat to the stop piece. Insert the tube and let it set. It may cure in 15 minutes, but for best results, let it dry for 24 hours. Then check the movement once cured. If everything is secure, remove the tape and your tripod is field ready again.